Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today I'm going to present you about Lionel Messi and his wife. Now I'm going to present you about Lionel Messi. Lionel Andres Messi is an Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward and captains both Spanish club Barcelona and the Argentina national team. Often considered as the best player in the world and widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time, Messi has won a record 6 Ballon d'Or awards, a record 6 European Golden Shoes, and in 2020 was named to the Ballon d'Or Dream Team. He has spent his entire professional career with Barcelona, where he has won a club record 35 trophies, including 10 La Liga titles, 7 Copa del Rey titles, and 4 UEFA Champions Leagues. A prolific goalscorer and creative playmaker, Messi holds the records for most goals in La Liga, 469, a La Liga and European League season, 50, most hat-tricks in La Liga, 36, and the UEFA Champions League, 8, and most assists in La Liga, 192, a La Liga and European League season, 21, 9, and the Copa America, 12. He has scored over 750 senior career goals for club and country, and has the most goals ever by a player for a single club. Born and raised in central Argentina, Messi relocated to Spain to join Barcelona at age 13, for whom he made his competitive debut aged 17 in October 2004. He established himself as an integral player for the club within the next 3 years, and in his first uninterrupted season in 2008-09 he helped Barcelona achieve the first treble in Spanish football. That year, aged 22, Messi won his first Ballon d'Or. 3 successful seasons followed, with Messi winning 4 consecutive Ballons d'Or, making him the first player to win the award 4 times in a row. During the 2011-12 season, he set the La Liga and European records for most goals scored in a single season, while establishing himself as Barcelona's all-time top scorer. The following 2 seasons, Messi finished second for the Ballon d'Or behind Cristiano Ronaldo, his perceived career rival, before regaining his best form during the 2014-15 campaign, becoming the all-time top scorer in La Liga and leading Barcelona to a historic second treble, after which he was awarded a 5th Ballon d'Or in 2015. Messi assumed the captaincy of Barcelona in 2018, and in 2019 he secured a record 6th Ballon d'Or. And Argentine international, Messi is his country's all-time leading goalscorer. At youth level, he won the 2005 FIFA World Youth Championship, finishing the tournament with both the Golden Ball and Golden Shoe, and an Olympic gold medal at the 2008 Summer Olympics. His style of play as a diminutive, left-footed dribbler drew comparisons with his compatriot Diego Maradona, who described Messi as his successor. After his senior debut in August 2005, Messi became the youngest Argentine to play and score in a FIFA World Cup during the 2006 edition, and reached the final of the 2007 Copa America, where he was named Young Player of the tournament. As the squad's captain from August 2011, he led Argentina to 3 consecutive finals, the 2014 FIFA World Cup, for which he won the Golden Ball, and the 2015 and 2016 Copa America. After announcing his international retirement in 2016, he reversed his decision and led his country to qualification for the 2018 FIFA World Cup, and a 3rd-place finish at the 2019 Copa America. One of the most famous athletes in the world, Messi has been sponsored by sportswear company Adidas since 2006 and has established himself as their leading brand endorser. According to France Football, he was the world's highest-paid footballer for 5 years out of 6 between 2009 and 2014, and was ranked the world's highest-paid athlete by Forbes in 2019. Messi was among Time's 100 most influential people in the world in 2011 and 2012. In February 2020, he was awarded the La Russa World Sportsman of the Year, thus becoming the first footballer and also the first team sport athlete to win the award. Later that year, Messi became the 2nd footballer and 2nd team sport athlete to surpass $1 billion in career earnings.
Hi Victor. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to present you about Lionel Messi's wife. Antonella Recuzzo is the wife of famous soccer player Lionel Messi and mother of their 3 sons Thiago, Matteo, and Sreyoun. Recuzzo was first mentioned in the media when she and Messi publicly announced their relationship in 2008. Anton Liracuzo was born on February 26, 1988, in Rosario, Santa Fe, Argentina. Antonella was raised along with her two sisters, Carla and Paula Recuzzo. Her father, Jose Recuzzo, was a businessman and her mother, Patricia Blanco, was a homemaker. She has known Messi since she was 5 years old, as her cousin, Lucas Scaglia, was a childhood friend of his. She attended Universidad del Rosario, studying odontology before switching to social communication, and then moved to Barcelona to join Messi. In November 2016, she posted on Instagram stating that she had signed a modeling contract with Argentine fashion label Ricky Sarkany. Anton Liracuzo was Messi's childhood sweetheart. They stayed in touch after he left to play football in Spain at 13, and they eventually started a romantic relationship in the late 2000s. Recuzzo moved to Barcelona, where the couple lives with their two sons, Thiago, 4, and Mateo, 1, but often return to their native Rosario. It is not known how long the pair have been together behind closed doors, but they went public with their relationship in 2008. The bond between the couple was believed to have strengthened in 2007 when Messi flew back to Rosario to comfort Antonella after the death of her friend. The pair was widely identified as a couple by the world's media before the 2010 World Cup. They have both had the Roman numerals XXX617 tattooed onto their ring fingers. That stands for 30-6-17- the date of their wedding. Leo and Antonella have 3 sons. Thiago, born on November 2, 2012, Mateo, who was born on September 11, 2015, and Sreyoun, born in 2018. In his hometown of Rosario, a host of footballing greats past and present, including Xavi Hernandez, Carlos Puyol, Cesc Fabregas, and Sergio Aguero, gathered to celebrate the marriage of the multiple Ballon d'Or winner to the mother of his 2 children. About 250 guests attended the wedding of Messi and Anton Liracuzo at a luxury hotel, including Messi's Barcelona teammates Neymar Jr., Luis Suarez, and Gerard Piqué, who was joined by his wife, Colombian pop star Shakira. About 150 journalists were allowed to cover the event but had no direct access to the ceremony or the party afterwards. The public was not allowed access to the hotel where the wedding took place, instead of watching on big screens in other parts of the city.
That's all about Lionel Messi and his wife. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun, in order to get more videos. Thank you.